In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the windshield wiper blades on this BMW 328i. These are going to be located at the base of the windshield. Let's get into it. Before we take the old wiper blades off, you want to put the correct attachment on the blades. These blades have two little tabs on the bottom. You want to squeeze those tabs and then pull this piece backwards. You can see there's a little arrow there, so you know you're pulling that back. There's a little arrow in there. Then you're going to locate this piece. Take this piece and there's an arrow at the top. Push that in place, that locks down. And then you want to find this piece, and this piece is going to clip right onto that, right in the center. Clips right on. That's all set, the blade's all set. And then there's a guard here just to protect the blade during shipping. Just slide that guard right off. Now you want to take the wiper arm, lift it up. We're going to rotate the blade and then push the blade towards the back of the vehicle. There's a pin right here. And then you take the new blade, line that up with the pin, and then rotate it down, and then push it down. And the wiper blade should look like this, with the curve going that way. The little arrow is in the front going towards the passenger side. And you can do the same procedure on the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.